Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you some working promo codes or the coupon codes for booking.com. So first you have to go to the couponfollow.com/site/booking.com, and you can find this page where you can find different types of coupon codes that you can use to get some exciting deals and discounts on booking.com. So here I'm going to show you here, right here. You can see the booking.com coupon code 20% off. So here is the coupon code. You can simply click on that, and here is a copy button. So you can copy the code and redeem it at the booking.com. Here is a button that will lead you to the booking.com official webpage where you can use this coupon code. Now here is the feedback section where you can give the thumbs up if it's work, or if it doesn't work, then you can go with the thumbs down. Now from here, that's my mistake actually. So from here, now the next one is you can get the coupon from the Groupon, and in this Groupon.com you can go with the Groupon.com and search for the Booking.com, where you can find some more Booking.com codes from here. So you can find some here. You can see up to 20% off your next stay in 2025 gateway deal. So you can find it. So simply click on get deal, and it will lead you to the booking.com, and where it is embedded with the link. Here it is. It is embedded with the link. So if you are signing or purchasing or the booking any hotel for staying, so you can get this discount here. So this is not promo codes, this is actually the link, the promotional link that actually can use to get the discount on booking.com. So from here you have to check one by one if one works. So most of time, sometimes some coupon codes has just expired, they didn't updated it. This is most updated coupon codes here to according to the date. Here you can see. So you have to follow the updated coupon codes, and you can go with some more coupon codes one by one. Try it one by one, and you can get one working coupon code probably. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.